Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account and confirming how many GB of storage you have. This prevents mid-upload failures. Once signed in, install Drive for desktop or Open Drive. Google.com so you can choose web or sync uploads. Next, create a dedicated folder for this backup to keep files organized, name it by date or project. Now start the first upload. Drag files into the folder or use upload right arrow files. Doing this first step saves time and reduces mistakes later. Once your folder exists, set up Drive for desktop with Stream or Mirror mode. Stream saves local disk space, while Mirror keeps local copies. Make selective sync choices so you don't transfer unnecessary large folders, which conserves bandwidth. Then organize, create subfolders, and use a consistent naming scheme to find things fast. If you're uploading large files, use the desktop client to resume interrupted transfers. This prevents corruption and leverages built-in version history for recovery. Finally, verify that upload's completed. Open a few sample files to confirm integrity and that versions are correct. Make files available offline if you need access without internet, and set sharing permissions carefully. Choose viewer, commenter, or editor based on need. To finish, log out and back in to verify the sync state. If anything goes wrong, restart Drive for desktop, check that you haven't exceeded storage, and relink your account. This fixes most sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.